Hey everyone, I'm Jody Bader.
And I'm Sarah Martinez. We're Project Glad consultants and trainers from Washington State. Welcome to this short video tutorial on using a Project Glad strategy online. As you watch, feel free to reach out and connect with us or get some more tips from our website. You'll see the link below, nextstepsprojectglad.com. Enjoy.
I am super excited to share this idea with you, and I of course need to make sure that we give credit where credit is due. Sarah and I have some good friends who work in the Wenatchee School District. They're the trainers in Wenatchee, and they did this idea for online literacy awards in their summer school, and I was so thrilled I did it myself. Okay, give me a thumbs up for how many of you are super obsessed with Bitmoji classrooms right now. Go down to your reactions and give me or thanks Amy, just a thumbs up there. I didn't know about them until quite recently, and I have just been sucked into creating Bitmoji classrooms. And so I'm going to share my screen. Sarah, am I enabled to share? I think I am.
You are. You guys, she has been going crazy with this. It's so fun. I keep telling her, wait a minute, slow down. We got to do something else. It's kind of addictive.
Okay, so again, I'm not going to give you a tutorial how to do a Bitmoji classroom because there are 1,000,001 teacher videos on YouTube, but I will just give a couple of tips and then show you what I've been working on. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is create your classroom, but then once you have your basic scene created, you're going to want to make it into a PNG. So then when you load it into the subsequent Google Slides, this is your background. Otherwise, the kids are going to be able to move your furniture and you don't want them to do that. So here's my basic classroom. And then once a week, here's the literacy award idea. Once a week, we would then reveal or make available to students who have earned the award the Bitmoji classroom. And so now in this one, you know, I can't move the chair anymore because my background is now a PNG. But everything else, all the new stuff that's in this scene are clickable hyperlinks where students can extend their knowledge of the forest biome and click around and do different activities. So the literacy award piece is that sometime during the week in your online classrooms or whether it's a virtual classroom or an in-person classroom, they will have earned the right to then enter the Google Classroom. And so you can put in your restricted view, or anyone with the link can view your permissions to make sure that those students who have earned it can then get in here. Now, of course, your students are going to, be in presentation mode. I'm not going to go in presentation mode because I want to show you what's in these various links. So everything that's in my Bitmoji classroom has a link to it. So little videos about saving the rainforest. They could download the biome map if they wanted. All of the scenes have different animals that live in those ecosystems, and so cool videos about the animals. If they wanted to click on the habitat, there's going to be biome information. Over here, this one comes with a little chant or a song. We also have a quiz game. This link is actually a live link to the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., where you can get in the live camera to watch the golden lion tamarins, which is this orange monkey. And then the Jeopardy clues down here, these are what are my actual physical super scientist awards or literacy awards that in the regular classroom I would print and give out to the students. In this case, we're calling them Jeopardy clues because at the end of the unit, the students would play a game of Jeopardy to kind of wrap up the unit, and all of the answers to those Jeopardy questions are going to be somewhere in the awards. So they want to earn those awards. And then of course, each slide would be revealed on a different week or however long you would take to then go to the different biomes. So I have tundra, desert. They're not all the way filled in yet because again, it is kind of a time suck, but I'm super addicted to the literacy awards as a Bitmoji classroom. What I will do, you guys, is give you a link. I'll put a link into the community and I'll share these slides with you so that you can view them and kind of see how we've got them set up.